What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I filmed a video. I've been having some camera difficulties over the last couple months. First I crashed my drone, and then my A7 III has been giving me an error message, so I had to ship that into Sony and get that repaired. And it should have been under warranty, but long story short, my warranty was voided, and it's gonna cost me a good amount of money to get it fixed. So in the meantime, I just rented a camera. Shout out to Hawaii Camera for having a quick and easy process to get a camera on short notice. It's about 6:30 in the morning. So today I'm gonna go pick up my friend Josh. We're gonna go try and find some waves to ride, bodyboard. I actually filmed a video yesterday and something happened with the memory card and all the videos got deleted. So I basically have to refilm everything today, which is pretty annoying. So yeah, I'm gonna go meet up with him and take you guys along. Alright, say out of the vlog again, Josh, since all the videos got deleted yesterday and I have to restart everything.
Well, it's gonna happen again.
No, it's
Isn't that what he's doing?
No, I changed out the memory cards, we're all good. We're good to go.
Who you got there, Josh? This is what's gonna help me go straight all day.
You're not supposed to go straight.
Well, teach me how to go. Don't forget your banana.
I didn't get a banana today. I'm gonna cramp. All
No, you got two fucking cookies like a child.
Hey, they're protein cookies, alright? Oh, it's upside down. God damn it. It's protein cookies. And I got a breakfast burrito. Only the best from 7-Eleven.
Well, let's go.
Alright.
Up, and away.
Alright, well, we just pulled up at the west side. We checked it for a little bit, but yeah, it's looking pretty flat out there. So conditions aren't looking all the best. I think we're gonna make a decision. We're gonna go up North Shore, make the hour drive up north, and hope for the best. So we'll see you guys up there.
Stop there. Trash can. No litter, kids. Fucking trash can's right there. There's trash next to it.
Alright, we're watching an update. We're trying to find some spot checks on Instagram. And oh, look at this one. Look at this, look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. That's where we're going. Oh. Alright, so we just got to Keiki. Wow, it's looking. Woo! Oh shit! Oh my god! Did you see that? Strong current. Careful. No swimming. Dangerous shorebreak. That's exactly what we want. That's gonna be Josh in about 10 minutes. How you feeling, Josh? You ready to charge it?
Yeah, I'm always ready to go straight.
Scary. Yeah. It does look a little scary out there. Yeah. It's really shallow and super hollow, but it looks like it's gonna suck a little bit. Oh, Clark's right there in the zone. Oh, second wave. Oh. Yeah, see the second wave. We just gotta send it out there. Alright, we're gonna go get ready. We're gonna suit up. We're getting out there. I don't care what Josh says. We're charging it today. Let's go. All right, so we just got out of the water. We got in the water at Keiki for a little bit, and it was way too big. Josh, how would you describe Keiki?
I saw skyscrapers.
Yeah, I almost drowned. Yeah, Josh got out, and then I decided it was a good idea to try again and get back in.
He goes,
And
hey, I want to go down here. It's a lot more nicer. And so the skyscrapers induce.
Yeah, so a rogue set came through, like a 15-foot set, and so all the sets, the normal sets were like 2-wave sets, so you just get past 2 waves and you're fine. But this set had 5 to 6 waves and were at least 5 feet bigger than every other wave that was out there. So I almost drowned. I barely made it out. Josh was pretty concerned. He thought I was gonna die for a second. So then we drove down the road and got in at Waimea. It was a lot more tame and a lot calmer, and it was fun.
Lifeguard comes by and goes, hey guys, how's it going? It's fucking cranking out there. And I'm like, yeah. And she's like, all right, how's your friend? I'm like, oh, he's good. She's like, all right, you guys enjoy. I'm like slowly turning like, oh my God, Derek's gonna die.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the clips. We're gonna start driving back now. We both start work in a couple hours. So that'll be the end of this video. See you guys in the next one.